It's a 2017 Ford Focus. With plenty of style and more than enough attitude, this is a machine that appears to be moving even when standing still. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Wireless audio streaming, AppLink Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto shift manual transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, when it comes to that elusive fun-to-drive factor, for example, you'll find the Focus to be one of the more engaging cars in its class, with nimble handling that doesn't come at the expense of ride comfort. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.